Hey there, food lovers, welcome back. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of fats. Are all fats our friends, or do some need to be shown the door? Let's explore the truth and find out how fats impact our health. Let's meet the fat family. We have three main characters: unsaturated fats, the healthy heroes; saturated fats, the controversial ones; and trans fats, the real villains. Understanding these characters will help us make smarter dietary choices. Saturated fats are found in animal products like butter, red meat, and cheese. While they add flavor to our meals, too much can raise your bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase your risk of heart disease. Experts recommend keeping saturated fat to less than 10% of your total daily calories. Remember, moderation is key. And here come the true villains, trans fats. These sneaky foes hide in processed snacks and fried foods. They not only raise your bad cholesterol, but also lower your good cholesterol, HDL, significantly increasing your risk of heart disease. Research suggests you should avoid trans fats entirely. They're just that harmful. Unsaturated fats are our nutritional superheroes. Found in foods like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish, they help improve cholesterol levels and lower heart disease risk. Let's give a round of applause for these fantastic fats. Now that we've seen how bad and good fats are, let's dive into some practical tips that can help you make similar changes in your own diet. Incorporating healthy fats into your meals is easier than you think. Here are some practical tips. Swap butter for olive oil when cooking. Add avocado or nuts to salads for extra flavor and nutrition. Aim to eat fatty fish like salmon or mackerel at least twice a week. Ready to whip up some delicious dishes? Let's get cooking. Time to bust some myths about fats. Did you know that not all fats make you gain weight? Choosing wisely and enjoying everything in moderation is key. For example, healthy, unsaturated fats can actually help you manage your weight better. Let's clear up these misconceptions together. So there you have it, not all fats are bad. Understanding the difference between harmful fats and healthy ones empowers you to make better choices for your health. Remember, choosing the right types of fat while keeping portions in check is crucial for a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for joining this fat-tastic journey. Don't forget to check out our other videos packed with nutrition tips. Hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. See you next time.